In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ABS sensor on your BMW 550i. This is going to be located on the back of the knuckle. Let's get started. Using a 5mm hex head bit, we're going to remove the bolt for the ABS sensor. Remove the bolt, pull the sensor straight out. We're going to travel up the knuckle and the strut, removing the stays for the ABS wire. Pull it straight out. We're going to open the two tabs for the connection box. Get it open. I'm going to pull the connection out. On the bottom, we're going to have a tab. Press on that tab, pull straight up, and remove the ABS sensor. Install the connector. Be sure it clips into place. There should be a tab right here that clicks. Ours is broken. Install the sensor up into the junction box and route the ABS sensor behind the brake line. Close the box lid. Be sure it snaps into place. Install the rubber stays into the bracket. Install the ABS sensor. Install the bolt and get it started by hand. Torque the bolt to 8 Newton meters, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.